Hey everyone! Welcome to Healthism. Today's video covers an awesome subject. A 7-day high-protein, anti-inflammatory meal plan to boost your energy designed by a dietitian. Feeling tired? Your food choices and eating schedule can make a difference. This week-long meal plan aims to boost your energy levels. We've included 7 days of protein-packed meals and snacks focusing on foods that fight inflammation and pack a nutritional punch. We've planned regular meals full of protein, which your body breaks down slower than simple starches, giving you energy that lasts all day. You'll also find some tips to prep your meals and easy recipes to get you started. How we make meal plans. Registered dietitians at Eating Well create meal plans with care to make them easy to follow and tasty. Each plan meets specific criteria based on the health condition and lifestyle goal it targets. We use the ESHA Food Processor Nutrition Database to check the accuracy of each plan. Because nutritional needs vary from person to person, we suggest you use these plans as a starting point and adjust them to fit your needs. Why this food plan is awesome for you. Protein is a big deal in this plan, so we made sure to include lots of foods that are packed with it. We're talking about chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, cottage cheese, and fish. It's tough to feel good when your stomach's growling, and eating more protein can help keep you feeling full since your body takes longer to break it down compared to simple carbs and sugar. You'll get at least 90 grams of protein each day. While protein's the star, we didn't forget about another key nutrient that can give you steady energy: fiber. Like protein, fiber takes a while to digest and helps keep your energy levels stable. You'll get at least 34 grams of filling fiber every day. To give you a mix of nutrients, we use ideas from the anti-inflammatory diet. You'll also find nutrient-rich stuff like beets, berries, dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fish, which might help cut down on signs of long-term inflammation. This 1,800-calorie meal plan includes changes for 1,500 and 2,000 calories to help people with different calorie needs. We used to have meal plans and changes for 1,200 calories, but we don't anymore. The 2020 to 2025 Dietary Guidelines for Americans says that limiting your calories to 1,200 a day is too low for most people to get enough nutrients, and it's hard to stick to for long-term health and feeling good. Not eating enough calories can make you feel tired, so it's key to pay attention to when you're hungry. Like all meal plans, this one is meant to give you an idea of what a healthy, high-protein eating plan looks like. That said, you can and might need to make changes based on your schedule, what you like to eat, and how big your family is. Ways to boost your energy. Feeling tired all the time? Talk to your doctor first. Lots of health issues can make you feel worn out, like thyroid problems, not enough iron in your blood, or high blood sugar. But don't worry. There are some things you can do with your diet and daily routine to help you feel more awake. Exercise. Feeling tired? Exercise might be the last thing you want to do, but it can give your energy a boost. Get better sleep. Getting enough good sleep is the most obvious way to increase your energy, but it's also tough for some people. Try to sleep 7 to 9 hours each night. To make this happen, create a calm bedtime routine without blue light and set yourself up for success by drinking less alcohol and coffee. Both can mess up your sleep. Check out more tips from experts to sleep better. Healthy eating. Consume foods packed with nutrients that have protein and fiber, and set up a steady meal schedule. These two habits can stop energy dips and keep you full between meals. Drink up. Getting enough water can boost your energy. Sipping water all day and eating water-rich foods like fruit can help you hit your goals. Foods that fight inflammation. Fruits. Berries, cherries, pomegranate, and citrus fruits are top picks. Veggies. Dark leafy greens, beets, broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potato, and winter squash are great choices. Whole grains. Quinoa, bulgur, farro, whole wheat, and others are good options. Nuts, seeds, fish, olive oil, avocado, beans, and lentils, fermented dairy, yogurt, kefir, cottage cheese, garlic, herbs, and spices. How to get your week of meals ready in advance. 1. Cook mini quiches that have a sweet potato crust. You can eat these for breakfast all week long. 2. Mix up a chickpea, beet, and feta salad with a lemon garlic dressing. This will be your lunch from day 2 onwards. 3. Make some garlic hummus. You can snack on this throughout the week. Day 1. Breakfast. 396 calories. 1 serving high-protein black bean breakfast bowl. Morning snack. 215 calories. 1 serving cottage cheese snack jar with fruit. Lunch. 447 calories. 1 serving avocado tuna salad. 5.3 ounces. Container low-fat plain strained, Greek-style, yogurt. Afternoon snack. 194 calories. 1.5 cups sliced bell pepper. 1 serving garlic hummus. Dinner. 526 calories. 1 serving crispy salmon rice bowl. Daily totals. 1,778 calories, 99 gram fat, 100 gram protein, 132 gram carbohydrate, 34 gram fiber, 1,600 milligrams sodium. To get it down to 1,500 calories, switch the AM snack to 1 cup low-fat plain kefir and skip the garlic hummus at PM snack. To bump it up to 2,000 calories, toss in 1 medium apple with 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter as a nighttime snack. Day 2. Breakfast. 400 calories. 1 serving mini quiches with sweet potato crust. 1 serving spinach smoothie. AM snack. 305 calories. 1 medium apple. 2 tablespoon natural peanut butter. Lunch. 397 calories. 1 serving chickpea, beet and feta salad with lemon garlic vinaigrette. 3 ounces. Cooked chicken breast, about 2/3 cup. PM snack, 194 calories. 1.5 cups sliced bell pepper. 1 serving garlic hummus. Dinner, 500 calories. 1 serving roasted cabbage Caesar salad with chicken. Daily totals, 1,796 calories, 93 gram fat, 101 gram protein, 143 gram carbohydrate, 34 gram fiber, 2,127 milligrams sodium. To lower it to 1,500 calories, replace the spinach smoothie with 1 cup of low-fat plain kefir at breakfast. Skip the peanut butter during your morning snack. To raise it to 2,000 calories, add a 1/4 cup of unsalted dry roasted almonds as a snack in the evening. Day 3. Breakfast. 400 calories. 1 serving mini quiches that have sweet potato crust. 1 serving spinach smoothie. AM snack. 215 calories. 1 serving cottage cheese snack jar with fruit. Lunch. 397 calories. 1 serving chickpea, beet and feta salad that has lemon garlic vinaigrette 3 ounces. Cooked chicken breast, about 2/3 cup. PM snack. 201 calories. 1 cup sliced carrots. 1 serving garlic hummus. Dinner. 434 calories. 1 serving charred shrimp, pesto and quinoa bowls. Evening snack. 152 calories. 1 cup cherries. 1/2 cup low-fat plain kefir. Totals for the day. 1,801 calories, 84 gram fat, 111 gram protein, 164 gram carbs, 34 gram fiber, 1,944 milligrams sodium. To make it 1,500 calories, swap the AM snack for 1 medium orange and skip the garlic hummus at PM snack. To make it 2,000 calories, add 1 medium apple to AM snack and 1 medium banana to PM snack. Day 4. Breakfast. 396 calories. 1 serving high-protein black bean breakfast bowl. Morning snack. 215 calories. 1 serving cottage cheese snack jar with fruit. Lunch. 397 calories. 1 serving chickpea, beet and feta salad with lemon garlic vinaigrette. 3 ounces cooked chicken breast, about 2/3 cup. Afternoon snack. 201 calories. 1 cup sliced carrots. 1 serving garlic hummus. Dinner. 426 calories. 1 serving chicken capri salad. Night snack. 152 calories. 1 cup cherries. 1/2 cup low-fat plain kefir. Daily totals. 1,788 calories, 84 gram fat, 1 16-gram protein, 155-gram carbohydrate, 36-gram fiber, 2,166 milligrams sodium. To get 1,500 calories, switch AM snack to 1 medium orange and skip garlic hummus at PM snack. To get 2,000 calories, put 1 medium orange in breakfast and 1 large pear in lunch. Day 5. Breakfast. 396 calories. 1 serving high-protein black bean breakfast bowl. AM snack. 241 calories. 1 cup low-fat plain Greek yogurt. Half a cup blueberries. 1 tablespoon sliced almonds. Lunch. 397 calories. 1 serving chickpea, beet, and feta salad with lemon garlic vinaigrette. 3 ounces cooked chicken breast, about 2/3 cup. PM snack. 176 calories. A 1/4 cup unsalted dry roasted shelled pistachios. Dinner. 588 calories. 1 serving massaged kale salad with roasted sweet potato and black beans. Daily totals: 1,799 calories, 88-gram fat, 101-gram protein, 164-gram carbohydrate, 40-gram fiber, 1,854 milligrams sodium. To make it 1,500 calories, switch AM snack to 1 cup low-fat plain kefir and change PM snack to 1 plum. To make it 2,000 calories, add 1 medium orange to breakfast, bump up to 4 tablespoons, sliced almonds at AM snack and throw in 1 medium peach to PM snack. Day 6. Breakfast. For 100 calories. 1 serving mini quiches with sweet potato crust. 1 serving spinach smoothie. Morning snack. 215 calories. 1 serving cottage cheese snack jar with fruit. Lunch. 384 calories. 1 serving no-cook black bean salad. 1 medium orange. Afternoon snack. 208 calories. 1 cup low-fat plain Greek yogurt. Half a cup blueberries. Dinner. 613 calories. 1 serving sheet pan spiced chickpeas and sweet potatoes with herby yogurt. Daily totals: 1,819 calories, 71-gram fat, 91-gram protein, 217-gram carbohydrate, 45-gram fiber, 1,622 milligrams sodium. To make it 1,500 calories, switch the AM snack to 1 medium peach and skip the yogurt during the PM snack. To make it 2,000 calories, put 1 tablespoon sliced almonds in the PM snack and have 1 cup cherries with half a cup low-fat plain kefir as a nighttime snack. Day 7. Breakfast. For 100 calories. 1 serving mini quiches with sweet potato crust. 1 serving spinach smoothie. Morning snack. 206 calories. A 1/4 cup almonds unsalted and dry roasted. Lunch. 384 calories. 1 serving no-cook black bean salad. 1 medium orange. Afternoon snack. 215 calories. 1 serving cottage cheese snack jar with fruit. Dinner. For 171 calories. 1 serving halibut with pistachio crust. 1 serving cherry, wild rice and quinoa salad. Night snack. 119 calories. 2/3 cup cherries. Half a cup low-fat plain kefir. Daily totals: 1,795 calories, 88-gram fat, 95-gram protein, 177-gram carbohydrate, 38-gram fiber, 1,622 milligrams sodium. To make it 1,500 calories, switch AM snack to half a cup blueberries and skip evening snack. To make it 2,000 calories, put 1 plum in AM snack and add a 1/4 cup dry roasted, unsalted, shelled pistachios to lunch. Was this video helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And I just wanted to ask you a favor. Could you please subscribe to Healthism? By doing so, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos on staying healthy. Before you go, you might find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen. Feel free to click on any of them, or, even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and bye.